How to delete Messenger chat from both sides permanently? Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Messenger application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards any particular conversation where you want to delete the Messenger chat from both sides permanently. For demo purpose, let's send a particular message. Now to delete it, tap and hold that message. Tap more icon at bottom right corner. Now tap remove button. Here is two options, on send for everyone and on send for you. If you tap on send for you, it won't be deleted from both sides permanently. So simply select on send for everyone and the message will be deleted from both sides permanently. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.